In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from your Shopify store, a must-have skill for any e-commerce entrepreneur looking to optimize their online store experience in 2020. Whether you're clearing out apps you no longer use or need to streamline your digital space, these steps will walk you through the process effortlessly and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center where you handle all the back-end tasks of your store. Simply log into your Shopify account and head over to the store's homepage to get started. Once there, you'll find a menu that lists all the core sections of your store. Our focus here, however, is specifically on the Apps section. Find the Apps tab, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on it will direct you to a page that lists all the applications you have currently installed. Shopify apps offer functionalities that can range from marketing tools to inventory management. So, keeping this section organized is crucial to maintaining your store's peak performance. With the Apps page open, look for and select App and Sales Channel Settings. This will bring you to a more detailed view where individual app settings and billing information are displayed. It's important to have this screen because it's where you'll manage the key actions related to your apps. Once you're in the App and Sales Channel Settings, you'll notice there's a drop-down box beside each app's name. Clicking on this box will unveil a series of options related specifically to that application. It might include details on usage, billing cycles, or further configuration settings. But for today's focus on removing apps, what you're searching for is the option labeled Uninstall. When you find the Uninstall button, go ahead and click it. Be aware, though, that once you uninstall an app, you might lose certain app-specific settings or data unless you've backed them up. Additionally, some apps process transactions or handle customer data, so ensuring everything is safely transferred before removal is a wise choice. Once you've double-checked and are confident this app is safe to remove, click Uninstall again to confirm the action. And that's it! You've successfully removed an app from your Shopify store. This process can help in decluttering your app space and ensuring that your store runs smoothly without unnecessary background processes. Remember to periodically review the apps you have and remove anything that no longer serves your business goals. By maintaining a clean and efficient backend, you're more likely to offer seamless and effective service to your customers, ultimately benefiting your store's performance. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial, and stay tuned for more helpful Shopify tips.